How do you feel about Mark Zuckerberg as CEO of Facebook?
No strong feelings. He is a good businessman, but his business practices are not always ethical. It is funny that he has all this money and still wears the same clothes.
This is what BlenderBot 3 had to say about Mark Zuckerberg. It's a little hasty, but Meta itself built BlenderBot 3.
This was Chatbot from Meta. There is one from Google called Lambda. You must have heard about them. Their public release always gets the media attention. They are the largest, the cleverest one, yet don't know who the president of the USA is. Some people probably do not know exactly what these creatures are. Besides, one can chat with them on thousands of topics. That's why we will first introduce them to you and then share the trends and valuable information you must know when entering the chatbot world. 1 million people chatted at the beginning of December in just 1 week with the newest super AI chatbot model, ChatGPT. It became the news sensation of December 22. Some people said it was a revolution in the AI chatbot industry. However, how much would that be helpful to the businesses, if any? Is there a difference between such giant AI chatbot models and a usual business AI chatbot on duty? Following the news stories, one may wonder if AI chatbots are reliable business instruments. So, we decided to devote a blog post on this topic and highlight what are these super AI chatbot models, how they can be used, and what their difference is from business AI chatbots. We even asked ChatGPT to share with us its opinion. Read below what it had to say about the story of other giant AI chatbot models and their relatives, the regular guys on duty, the business AI chatbots. The super AI chatbot models. These AI bots are giant chatbot models that can chat about thousands of topics, creating the answers based on huge databases of billions to trillions of records and their own search online for information. They are still in their research and development stage, far from perfection and from reliable usage in the business world like the business AI chatbots. They are designed to predict the next word for a given input, generate an answer, and not if this in fact is correct. They can do something incredibly well, creating text and chat in a freestyle on general topics. Therefore could be used for drafts for posts, ads, articles, and other written collateral reviewed and finalized by the business team. On the other hand, are the business AI chatbots. Chatbots with conversational AI modules narrowly focused on the needs of the business and its customers that are developed and trained by the business team in a business-controlled environment. Training topics, responses, and other content are 100% controlled by the business. These chatbots can have integrations with other business platforms to automate routine tasks and be used actively for 24/7 customer support, sales, and marketing, as well as collecting customers' data. For the business to be able to make more intelligent decisions. You can read the article if you want to learn more about chat and other chatbots. In this article, you will find a comprehensive comparison table as well. Thanks.